Hey there, friends. This week in math, we are going to be adding three numbers in story problems. But before we do that, I wanted to talk about some different things, different ways to solve an addition problem that has three numbers. When we're adding three numbers, we can add from left to right, but we don't have to. When we're adding, we can go add anything that in any order that we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for things that I already know and use some of the strategies that I use when I am adding to solve this. Strategies like I know some friends of 10 facts. I know some doubles facts. So I'm going to look for anything like that that I know in there. See, for example, this problem here, 1 plus 9 plus 1, like I said, I could go from left to right, but I don't have to. I recognize when I add 1 plus 9 together, 1 plus 9 is a friend of 10. So that part is done, and then I need to add one more. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. So that means that 1 plus 9 plus 1 equals 11. So that one was fairly simple. Let's try something a little bit harder. Maybe I can find one that's a little more difficult. Oh, let's try this one. This one has a bigger number in there. Okay, so 3 plus 2 plus 7. I'm going to look for any double. I don't see any doubles in there that I know. Let's see. Oh, look. There's 3 plus 7. And if I do 3 plus 7, that's a friend of 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. So what I'm going to do is do the 10 plus the number that I haven't added together yet to make it a little easier. So 10 plus 2, I can put 10 in my brain and count on 2 more. So 10, 11, 12. That means that 10 plus 2 equals 12. That means 3 plus 2 plus 7 equals 12. Let's try another one, shall we? Do this one. 2 plus 9 plus 2 equals, well, let's see. I'm going to switch my color marker quick. There's a double, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 would equal 4. I know that one because I know that. I have fact power. I just know. Fact power is when you just know something. You don't have to figure it out. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I could do 2 plus 2, and my answer is 4. And then I'm going to add the 9 that I haven't added yet. There is when I have it like this, I can do things like number line. I can use my fingers. I can count on. I can draw a picture. There are many different things that I can do. So I'm going to do whatever I like, whatever strategy works best for me. And for me, I like to put the bigger number in my head and count on the smaller number. So what I'm going to do is put the 9 in my head because it's bigger. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count on using the 4. So 9, counting on, would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 plus 9 equals 13. That means that 2 plus 9 plus 2 equals 13. Let's do one more. The best way to get good at adding three numbers, well, really doing anything, is by practice, just doing it over and over again. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's do this one. 9 plus 1 plus 5. Hey, look, there's a complement of 10, a friend of 10. 9 plus 1, that equals 10. Plus 5, because we have to add that now, equals, now we have to figure that out. Now, I'm going to do this. I know that there are 5 fingers on one hand, so I'm going to use my fingers for this one. I'm going to start with 10 because that's the bigger number. And I'm going to count on 5 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means that 10 plus 5 equals 15. And that is the same as saying 9 plus 1 plus 5 equals 15. I always look for things that I already know. Because if I already know it, I don't have to use so many strategies. Okay? So when you are practicing today, look for things that you know, parts of it that you know. Okay? And then use what you do know to figure out what you don't know. All right? We'll practice more with these tomorrow.